Hello, my name is Ben and I am Notagreatgamer. Welcome back to the Serene Republic of Venice, the quickly growing Serene Republic of Venice, which is actually really bad for us because we could really use some more tech. Our tech is slowing down significantly because of this, so we are playing Stellaris. I almost forgot to mention that, and we're kind of waiting for a little bit more minerals so that we can build us a colony ship. Coil gun. Oh, that's actually pretty good. Plasteel armor. Tempting. Railgun. Ooh. Or defense station. They're all going to be pretty quick, actually. You know, I haven't built any defense stations yet. Oh, and I looked it up. It turns out that the thing that allows you to form federations, not needed for anything else. It's fine. So I think we just go... Oh, that's a tough one. Oh, this one's actually pretty quick. Mineral Silo 3 and Mineral Processing Plant 2. That's not bad. Well, Mineral Silo 3 is kind of useless, but Mineral Processing Plant 2 is pretty good. Let's go with that. And that's 27 months. Our tech, man. Our tech. Look at that. Ugh. Okay, how are we doing on... Yep, there we go, 355. Colony ship, let's do it. And we want the... We don't want the Xenophobes. We just don't want the Xenophobes. We want the Spiritualist. Oh, they're fanatic pacifists now? That's no fun. Fine. Tendrakians, go. We want some Spiritualists so they'll like us and be happy. Let's do it. I'm trying to remember where that's going to go. It's kind of far away. It's going to go like way the crap over here. Yeah, we're gonna get that continental world. It's gonna be nice. System survey. Anything good? Nope. Like literally nothing good. Starvation. What? Starvation? Come on. Whoa. It's because everybody moved there. Wow. Okay. Okay, so first off, one thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take this Tendrakian, we're gonna move him there. Okay. Secondly, why do xenophobes consistently move to places that are just absolutely full of people that aren't their race? I don't understand it. Okay. -3. Okay, well, looks like it's just gonna be a ton of food from here on out. Hydroponics farm. You too. Go there. No. You stay there. You go there. All right. Wait, did I just lose a person? I don't think I lost a person. There you go. Okay, cool. And now we have actual stuff being built. Or, yeah, we have stuff being built here in Trieste. And I'm tempted, I'm actually really, really freaking tempted to give Trieste away. It turns out I can do that. I might just give away all this stuff and just not bother with it. In fact, I think I might just do that. Yeah, it's not really getting me anything. And it's not like my, well, I'll keep it for now. I was gonna say it's not like my my management has been really great, given that they're already starving. And I did not go back and look at the video to see if the British Republic did in fact request membership in our federation. If so, I'd be really, really kind of torqued off. Hey, who's the president these days? It is still the Iroquois. Okay, cool.
System survey complete.
Ciliano, how you doing? Not bad. Not bad at all. Got an arid world there. Okay.
System survey complete.
Oh, that's not bad at all. Look at that. What is this? Continental world? Nice.
Construction complete.
Oh, hey, real quick, I'm gonna check for Gaia worlds. No Gaia worlds. The only Gaia worlds I've seen are holy, which is not really ideal. Arctic, yeah. Aw, Grimium. Hey. Oh, that's in their territory too. Oh, they picked up the papal folks picked this up with a one of those special with the what's that station called? The frontier outpost. We can actually destroy that when we go to war with them. We are going to go to war with the Papal States. It's just going to happen. Naxos has finished its surface construction cube. Excellent. Naxos, how about you not suck so much? How about you? Oh, you're making money. Nice. We built that colony ship, right? Yeah, okay, good. How are we doing on science? Society. Let's go society. Upgrade to more society. Upgrade to more society. Okay. Let's go from there. And let's build a science lab because we can. And we're making money again. Oh, that's so good. Crack some up. Construction ship, get over here. Enter orbit. Thank you.
System survey complete.
Anything good?
Construction
What
complete.
was that? I heard a noise. Not a good noise either. Ooh, they got Betharian right there. Yes. Corfu? No, Spalato. Whoa, Spalato is done. Oh no, Spalato is actually... Yeah, which one is this? Wait, what? Spaceport of Spalato. Okay. What did you do? What did you did? Did you upgrade? I don't remember what I did there. Spalato, how good are you on science? You're alright. Not spectacular. Okay, I'm just mostly making sure that there's no colony ships that I am not, like, doing anything with. Okay, Dalmatia. You need all the help in the world right now. Are you starving? Yes, you are. Yes, you are starving. We have a lot of starving going on. Dalmatia. How about if you, my friend, move there? Does that make you not starving? No, it doesn't. Here, build the planetary administration. Get that done. That will help with food. Let's clear out a few more of these. Except that's not super useful if there's no food. Get us another farm. That'll be fine. That will be fine. Okay, that should only take about 30 years. Democratic film and... Okay. Somebody doesn't like the Papal States. Oh yeah, these guys. They're rivals. Okay, cool. Oh hey, hang on. The Democratic folks. Democratic folks. Hey. Are you in? Yeah, you're already allied with Ulm. Man, I wish I could get both these guys on our team. You know? Like they're... What are they? They're Democratic Utopia. And then Ulm is what? Moral Democracy. So, like, why can't Ulm and these guys just join our team? I don't understand it. Don't understand it. Okay, more mutual rivaling. British Republic is also rivaling folks. Oh, Brits. I'm sorry if I turned you down. I really am. You're pretty cool.
Construction complete.
Oh, And they joined the beneficial entente. Oh, that's too bad. That really is too bad. I was hoping to get him. Spaceport Murano. Oh, sweet. Okay. Come on down. This is what? 2 disruptor corvettes, a torpedo boat, torpedo cruiser, and a PD cruiser. Come on down here. And now we're losing money, but not for very long.
Construction complete.
We have colony
Research
ships on their way.
complete.
It's so funny. It takes so long for them to get out there. Ooh, research complete. Hey. Sweet, antimatter power. Okay, I will have to play with some things. In our designs. Okay, so here's the thing. It's a purple. Planet modifier. Planet fortification toughness plus 50%. It's a purple. No, I'm not going to do it. If they attack us, that's gonna happen. Like, I don't get it. I don't see the point. If somebody attacks one of our planets, we're already weak. Like, we might as well do this, which also gets planet fortification toughness plus 20% with something else that I know we're going to use, like advanced shields, or in advanced shields. That being said, Hyperdrive 2 would be awfully nice. Jump charge time, minus 25%. That's pretty good. And it's quick. And by quick, you mean 26 months. Wow. That's horrifying. Oh, sweet. Colony ships are over here. Nice. 2 colony ships and a science ship are just hanging out.
System survey complete.
You know what? I don't think I want to mess with Trieste and Dalmatia anymore. Maybe I do. Hey, there's no more starvation in our empire. Very nice.
System survey complete.
Asterion, where are you?
System survey complete. Construction complete.
Oh, whoa. Okay. I think I know what all of these are. Our trade treaties. I think these were our 30-year trade treaties for... Oh, hey, the Iroquois elected this dude. That's cool. The findings of the Unholy Axis will represent the ultimate frontier of discoveries by sentient beings. You bet it. You bet your bippy. Let's go research agreement. -1. That's fine. We'll play with that a little bit. Let's just give you some... Give you like a monthly transfer of minerals. That's a little excessive. Give you a monthly transfer of money. Of 1 ducat will do it for you. Okay. Confirm. Who else we got? Which reminds me, do I want to start picking these guys up? Hang on. Oh, that's not in my territory anymore. That's too bad. But maybe we can pick this up. No. I think we're just going to not bother with this. It's one ocean world, really, is what it is. Okay, France. Yeah, I was thinking about sort of sewing this area up, but it's just not going to happen now. It's in other people's territory. It's okay. Offer trade deal. Research agreement? You just need a tiny bit of... Yeah, do it. Confirm. Now. Offer trade deal. Research agreement. Minerals. Monthly transfer of 2 minerals and... Oh, that's a lot of money. You just don't care about cash. Okay, fine. Make that 3 minerals. Alright. Then I say we confirm. And then we'll play with migration access. We'll make sure that we have it. Alright. Acceptable. 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 Trist has finished its stuff. Trist, what are you doing? You still starving? Nope, not really. Let's upgrade this. Yes. Upgrade that. Upgrade that. Hydroponics farm. Yeah, these cities are just getting filled. Oh, what is your problem? Xenophobia. Why do xenophobes keep doing this? You silly xenophobes. Oh, hey, you should build a farm there. There's already food there. Let's have a farm. Right? Yeah, hydroponics farm 1. Okay. And then... oh, we're going to be losing money here really quick. You know what I think we're going to do? Oh, not yet, though. Once Trieste and Dalmatia finish their stuff, I'm just going to turn them over. I'm just going to turn them over. It's fine. Move forward and... oh, yeah, that's right. Let's check to make sure that we have migration access. No, we don't. Okay, minerals. It's going to actually cost us some minerals. 6 minerals a month for this. Yeah, they just don't want migration access. That's interesting. For a trade deal, migration access. Yeah, nobody really wants it. Actually, we don't need it with these guys. The big blue blob. They're tropical folks at this point. Oh, we should get this one. The continental world over here. Let's do it. Comiferos. Offer trade deal. Migration access. Yeah, people are just not that interested. Okay, fine. Monthly transfer. That's gonna cost us a lot of minerals to get a bunch of people into our territory. I think it's gonna be okay. Alright, yeah, you know a good deal when you see one. You're getting a bunch of my minerals. Ugh. We're losing 17 energy credits per month. Whew, okay. Trieste. Oh no. That's old.
Research complete.
Research, yes. Oh, hey. Okay, a number of individuals belonging to the pre-sentient native population of Lido somehow got into a secure compound on the outskirts of our colony. They were chased off within hours, but not before severely damaging several interstellar uplinks dedicated to currency transfers. We fear several hundred credits may have been lost in... wow. Minus 300 energy credits. That's not nothing for us right now. Ooh, xenology. That's right. So we get the alien pets resource, which I've not actually played with yet. Okay, habitability +5. There we go. Okay, I forgot about this. The atmospheric filtering. What this... so, remember when I was talking about how I want to, I find that, the frontier clinics are good if you can get an extra 5% habitability. Well, here it is, atmospheric filtering. That being said, I think massive glaciers are going to be a bit of a pain. So we might just do that. It's going to be fairly quick. Actually, yeah, I think we do that. We're not going to do artificial Moor codes. It's not worth it for us. So, and then Xenozoo. Extra happiness. Do we even have any Xeno resources? I'm not sure we do. I'm not sure. I'm actually not sure how to see them because I think they're on habitable planets is the thing. Now, do we have any habitable planets that have them? And I'm not seeing it. Oh, there's some money down there. Might just have to go build that. Hey, Corfu. you. Yeah, I'm not quite sure how to do the Xeno stuff. If we see them, we'll play with them. If not, that's okay. But for right now, let's go tile blockers. 13 months, let's do it. Okay, yeah, we have colonies underway. Trow, where's Trow again? Trow, it's down here. Oh, this was the, autonomous fabricators. Okay. There have been many reports of unexplainable seismic disturbances on Trow. Tremors can be felt across the moon, and many of our settlements have suffered damage. While investigating the earthquakes, our scientists discovered a vast network of subterranean caverns. The deepest of these caverns are home to some kind of indigenous civilization, and they appear to be tunneling towards the surface. Ground vibrations from our settlements may have triggered this behavior, but we cannot be certain. There's no telling how these aliens will react when they spill out of their tunnels and encounter our colonists. So we have to deal with this situation. Begins the subterranean civilization event, issues special project established communications, or preemptive strike.
Situation log updated.
And someone just died. Niccolo Manifesto. No! Schiaparelli, here, have a scientist. Oh, I was hoping to use some influence for stuff. No. Anomaly risk failed minus 10%. Let's do it. Antonio Manifesto. Take that guy. Okay, good. And situation log. Separatist mandate. No. That's not happening. It's just not. Subterranean civilization. Establish communications or preemptive strike. Yeah, so inlane's digging their way. No, we won't do that. We do this. We need to find some way to communicate with the subterranean aliens. Perhaps we can find a way to coexist with their civilization. Let's research this. It will take at most 6 months to complete. Okay, let's do it. And we have a campaign for a new high priest. Yeah. Let's see who it could be. The most likely... Oh, separatist sympathizer. Ugh. Ugh. That's no good. There's a lot of separatist sympathizers. Well, the top two folks are separatist sympathizers. How about we not do that? Orbital researcher would be so much nicer. Let's get an orbital researcher, okay? 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 Or an off-world miner. That'd be so much nicer. Inactive buildings. Hang on. I bet you we can fix that. Oh yeah, this money guy? Yeah. Where's a Venetian? Oh no, keep him there. Move him there. There we go. Oh no, that's not money. What am I thinking? No, move that guy. There you go. Always put a Venetian in charge of the money. And then, you know what? Oh, this is Lepanto. Where are you again? I'm so bad. Lepanto. Yeah, up there. Okay, cool. Did you have land of opportunity? I think you might have. Okay. Well, surface, you're doing fine. 12 food. Oh, yeah. That's fine. How are people growing? People are growing okay. We'll see what happens there in Lepanto. Lazy construction ship. Why don't you... Actually, why don't you come get me some cash? What do you say? Build mining station. After which, build mining station. Actually, just enter orbit. That's the timer. Let's go until the election, and then we'll see what happens. Players completed. Good. Ah, starvation. Where? Dalmatia. Look. -4. Whoa. That's horrible. First off, why don't you do food? Because I hear food's important. You upgrade. Hydroponics Farm 1. Oh. You move there. You move there. He is really unhappy. Yeah, starvation will do that to you, huh? I'm this close to just telling the Crossroads sector to deal with it. Okay, ruler has been elected. Severio Tron. Oh, that's so good. That probably means that he will not have... Oh, it is a separatist mandate. Why? Hyperpriest Severio Tron was elected on the platform of releasing the planet of Lepanto. Nope. Why do people want to be separate? Especially since, hey, Lepanto, aren't you like... Yeah, you have like negative ethics divergence here. You're moving. You're migrating to Sipton 2B. What the heck? British Republic. Okay. You're leaving me for the British Republic. Why are you doing that? Well, you're a collectivist and a fanatic materialist. Okay. Ask to join alliance. Ooh. Yeah, ask to join alliance. There we go. We can get the British Republic in our alliance. So good. So you want me to join the Great Beneficial... Wait. Hey, hang on, what? No, this is the Unholy Axis. What? Ask to join alliance, and then it says, so you want to join... Oh, the Great Beneficial Entente. I'm still in this, right? That would involve me leaving the Federation. That's dangerous. That's really dangerous. That almost made me, like, leave my... Federation for another thing. That's really bad. That's really bad. It should be a much bigger warning. Yeah, that should be really bad. That should be a really, really big warning right there. No, let's not do that. That's horrible. Don't do that. Don't do that, kids. Okay, so a new ruler. What do you like? You are a fortifier. Defense platform build cost. Oh, we might play that. And then destroyer build cost -20. Okay, well, looks like we build up our, oh, we have plenty of minerals. So it looks like we're going to be building up our military next episode because of our new high priest, who is Russian. Severio Tron. Interesting. He has a Venetian name. Okay. Very cool. Very, very cool. He's a separatist, so he needs to stop that. But, yeah. So, I think that's going to be it. I'm going to update our... ship designs in a little bit. We may build a couple of stations. And then we'll get on it. But we're going to get on it next time. Until then, I enjoyed myself. I hope you enjoyed yourself as well. I do look forward to seeing you next time.